Frank from Clear Lake has some melting bricks.
They're on his home that was built, Tom, back in 1968. Frank writes, it's the oldest part of Clear Lake. You know, it was built when it was unincorporated Harris County. And you know what that means? It means just aluminum wiring, 18 or 20-inch on-center studs, the joists and rafters, and so on. So my problem today, he says, is unfired Mexican brick. And here's a picture of it on the back of the house. He says it absorbs moisture, and a few bricks have deteriorated and have started to wash out off the back of the house, and now the whole wall is loose. So he wants your advice. How do you fix that?
Well, there are brick repair companies out there that can actually match those bricks and just remove the few that are bad. And then they can go ahead and put a hardener, a brick hardener on there so it won't take the moisture, or you can use a brick sealer. But the hardeners are usually used for that kind of brick. I have the same kind of brick on my house. Now, you say it comes loose. If you push on those homes and they're one story and the brick moves in and out, that's very common. They didn't use brick ties back then.
Yikes.
And so, no, it's fine. Just don't push on it. You'll be fine.
Note to self.
It's been there forever. You know, mine's been there forever, too. But I scare people sometimes when I just do it for fun, and then they go, oh, my goodness, don't worry about it.
If you're wondering, what is Tom's superpower? There it is.
Moving brick. But not a big deal. You can have those brick repair companies come out and take care of those kind of things, fix the crack, repoint the mortar, and that brick will still be there for a lot longer. You just have to put that hardener on there.
So the hardener is going to stop the rest of them from melting away like that?
Yeah, it's like putting a coat of paint that you don't see the paint.
Will he have to put it on again and again?
Yeah.
So he has a maintenance challenge.
But it's not going to be that often. Yeah.
Okay.
And so unless it starts really falling apart again, you might not have to do it for 20 years.
There you go.
Okay.
I thought that one was going to stump you, too. See, you can't stump Tom.
No, not that old brick.
But
that old brick's fine.
You're welcome to try by sending your question to us at HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form. We'll answer it like that in these videos over here. Subscribe to our channel. We'll let you know when there are new ones.